these are already in the file. I'm not even sure if I have them in an HTML file as well. Definitely should have this one. Really? So we do a grep for this. I need to know which file I just wrote. Star.html. Okay, so the first one we have in that HTML file. And this one I don't yet. Should make that as make an HTML description of that one as well, I guess. Huh? Also not. This one should have it. Okay, let's begin with converting these new ones then to SVG files. Basically, I want to do this. Place. Just use the fin code. Don't like spaces in my file names though. Okay, don't know who's to move. Yeah, I can find the fin code in fins, I suppose. Maybe I should not even use the slashes actually. See, we have a problem here. Man, this sucks. What's in a name? Wish they worked. This is so not working. But why? Oh, because I put a G here instead of there. Oh, it's a lot better. No, it's not. Substitute space B followed by anything with minus B percentage. Substitute anything with W, well, sorry, space W followed by anything. Yeah, now it should work. Finally. And then I might as well take tilde SVN behind it. SVG, I mean. The third one. Now we get the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, well, think about it. I think if I just don't pass an output, probably did this already, but okay. There was the 7K 3P. This one. Looks very much the same as the previous one. Hopefully not exactly the same. And this one. Eight 1P6. On the last one. A3KB1. Then I have on my phone a few screenshots to figure out which one is not here. I can't have a lot of those. What? These must be too old. Start at the top. Yeah, I don't think I have this one. Let's see. I guess this goes around and around. Okay, I don't have this one, so I have to go to, for example, lightjes.org and put a board editor. And then black is at the top for some reason. Well, it's not here. I have to flipboard it. Easier for me. And then we put stuff. The word just has to go. Bishop. No. This one's there. Queen here. pawn here. Pawn, pawn. Knights. Oh. Yo. New fin. Well, let's open a new console for pasting new fins. So we're going here. Next screenshot. This one, which is white at bottom. Right. It doesn't say which who's to move though, but I guess white is to move. Now there is one winning move for white. Now we do black to play. Then it's just a draw no matter what you do. That seems pretty boring. White to play. Copy this. Oh, there is a comment here. It says, it's not my game this. It says, in an over-the-board game I was black here and missed a strong strike And that's all we have. But strong strikes would win. I don't see any strong strike here for black. Computer didn't either. Maybe the move was already done. Just gonna go to the next one. Okay, this time it is definitely white to play. Queen, the rook goes here, this one is gone. Bishop. Oops. Let's put a bishop here and a bishop here. And a pawn there. Or there. This one is there. There. And there. And then another knight. That one's gone. Yep. Copy that. Next. Yeah, I gave these already to the kids. Can skip that one. Next, well, I guess that now we are. Yeah, it does more screenshots, but they're very old, so not made in order to turn it into a lesson, I guess. So then I have 3 more, which I'll add first. So what happens if I just leave out the -0 here? Yeah, looks different, doesn't it? But good enough. Better even, maybe. Arguably. Okay, just do an LS on all of this thing. I don't think so, right? Okay, you can. Yeah. it's just a file. No, it's just a file. Are these real slashes? I don't think so then. Maybe they're fake slashes. Right, no. Next. Okay. Then I need to make a decision on which one I'm going to do now. So let's just have a look at these again. Is there really no way to blow this up? Looks horrible, this thing. Could better use Inkscape, maybe. No, I'll just do it with this size. Okay, this is... why to move? It's just made in one. Is black to move? Yeah, black to move here. Yeah, it's definitely an interesting one. This is basically the pattern with the pawns here. So you have the king is in the corner, although probably not necessarily. And there are two pawns where the one is pushed one step and the third pawn here is not there. Then it is a win one position for black if you just have a king and a rook. Maybe I should do this one because I have done almost exclusively queen and rook attacks so far. So I could continue with this. I like this one. Yeah, could do this one. Let's have a quick look at others that we have. Yeah, this is a completely different beast. I really should add a little dot here, I think, to see who is to move. To the SVN itself, I mean. This is probably that one, so white is to move here. Yeah. I guess you can win a piece by taking this one. It's kind of a fork on two pieces. If you take that one, you take one with a check. I could put a rook in between, but not really, because you cover that square as well. And therefore you just get two of them. Why this would be a lesson, I don't know. Yeah, okay, I guess he doesn't take it. It puts the knight here, defending the bishop. And then, what was the trick? Anyway, not for today. Yeah, this is just about, this is not a real position. It's a preparation for a more difficult position. So give just check here, which is a fork, and you can't put anything in between. Because you pick that pawn up as well. Well, if the rook was there, and you go there, the rook can be put in between. It's a part of something else, if at all. This one is not better than what I've just found before. This is... It doesn't even say at the top who is the move here. What the hell? It just cuts it off. What's going on there? Yep. This is the 4R1K. Guess why to move? Yeah, this pawn, right? But yeah, piece more. So the big trick is then that if you do this, you can't take the bishop, I suppose. Take it with the queen, then yeah, you get a fork. Nobody wants that, right? So just that simple. I discovered a tick. I guess it is. But yeah, let's not do this one either. So there was a queen g5, I think. Guess the threat here then is that you go there and do nasty things. This is which one? That's the last one I made. Or the last screenshot. So you do this, and now we're threatening, I think, queen here. Doesn't really matter what black is doing, it seems. You can't defend this square anyway. It's impossible. If you would move the knight away, it doesn't matter. Well, the knight could go here, and then you defend this square. Maybe then the queen goes there, which is why it has to be on g5. But not really, because you still don't threaten to go there. Let me see what happens after this move. Bishop pesters the queen away. Interesting that it is attempting to take the pawn here. Yeah, really. No, or take the bishop also. Let's just do this, you know. It's not allowed to take the queen. And then we can kick the knight. Did it just cost the knight? Is that all? Or not? And this is it's an attempt to give away all pieces. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, we just take it. That's boring. Let's try to exchange queen. No, it's not possible. Let's try to... Can't put anything here. Okay, let's just take this pawn. Okay, now we take that. This is a renewed threat to go there with the queen. But now we can stop that. Wait a minute, if you go here, this just gives away the queen, right? No, not even immediately. Well, that would be faster mate, I suppose. That's why that is doing that. And then take the queen. Still not take the queen. Nope. We never want to have the queen. We just go for a mate. This is funny. Jesus Christ. But any normal person would take the queen, I suppose, if you do that. So if this is the threat, then let's go there. Oh, this is also not possible because of that one. Yeah, just undefendable. Undefendable. I threatened to take the bishop. It's still here. Now I take the bishop. Ta-da! But that didn't work because of this one. Oh, then the queen defense. No. Let's indeed start with a check. And then another check. Oh, that's mate. Yeah, great, yeah. No, so much for the weak dark squares, because black does not have a bishop here. But yeah, I think I still go for the first one. So let's go back here. Oh, it's also a rook and queen thing, so maybe this one is better. So two variations, interesting. This is a pawn thingy, that's also very interesting, but also not yet. I think I'll just go for the queen and rook thing. This is... I don't know what that is. Already did this one. Yeah, this one. So let's do this one. Got to make a decision. So that is the 3R1 R2. Yup, copy. Definitely going to analyze with the computer. I already know the answer. Yeah, black wins. Play the rook here. But um, 3R1 or 3, yeah, 3R1 or 2. Good. No diagram. What the hell? Oh, I didn't generate it yet. Well, I did, but not with the correct name. So let's remove this one. I can just rename it, I suppose. Oh. Oh. Did. Move that one to lesson this one. Dot svg. Cool. This can be blown up, right? Yeah. No, I need a title of the thing. I guess that yeah, it's doing all kinds of things, but not what I want. Alt top, that's what I want. VI. Let's pick another lesson. This one is King 70, obviously. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to call it something else than King 70. Okay, yeah, well, I don't know. It's also King 70. I'd call this yeah, how do you call that? I'm so hesitating here between calling white his or their. Their looks, I don't know, kind of, yeah, okay-ish, but then later I didn't. Why would I call white there? So we just rewind time 20 years, 30 years ago, then you would pick, you would just pick his, knowing that you have to choose, so it's either his or her, and certainly for chess, it's always his. Plus, if you use his, then anyone knows that it could be a her as well. It's just grammar. And I feel that then choosing there Well, they, while it is definitely a single person, is just politics, and I hate politics. So I'm going to say his. So my players are both male, and they say. So his white king looks safe, but okay, well actually that is again whites. No, otherwise it looks like I talk about the king. Okay, but the back rank then, just the back rank. The back rank is still weak. Rook F1, huh? Actually, I'm not sure, but okay, let's assume that. Yeah, let's say 1 for now. I'll have to think about it though. Gonna make one square. Where's that queen? I have no clue. I think F4. We're here. Oh, it's the other way around. C4. Yeah, I have to mix them up. Queen C4. And then, which is faster or slower. I'm gonna put this in the engine. Board editor. Oh, it's already there. Well. Analyzing. There it's the only winning move. Any other move is completely lost. Goes from -4 to +7. The best move is even the queen. Can you imagine? Yeah, rook is worse. Okay, well, anyway, I'll take with the rook. It just looks like an exchange. Now if you put the queen here and then the rook is going down and you still win 5 points, so we won't go into that. So now we get this one, and now you have 3 choices. This is main 1, just a rook down. This is losing the queen again. So I might as well done that immediately, I guess. And then the last one doesn't either work either, because it's just a mate in 2. 3, I guess. Now the computer thinks that king h1 is the best, so let's do that one. 3, king h1, and then 3 dot another one. Let's say king b1 double question mark. Rook d1 mate, or 3 pawn, that would be b3, right? Then you get the rook d2 check, rook d2 check, for, yeah, just give a free queen. Let's not do that. It's actually interesting. Well, this one is made in 1, so that's also pretty stupid. This one, however, is made in 2. But you have to, well, you can do it like this, you win the queen. Well, mate is better. So I'm just going to do king a1, queen not to d4, etc. Three dot dot dot, because we just, oh wait a minute, all the way here, yeah, we just did king h1. H1, what the hell did I see the other side of the board? Oh, those are the moves that I did from my head. Yeah, shouldn't do anything from my head, I think. King a2. Queen c4 check. King a1. And then we get the better move. How is this a better move? No, this is the better move, of course. Rook d1 check. D1 check. For, nou ja, queen b1. Let's spell it out. And then we just take it, eh? Yeah. I'm not taking it. But everything is minus 99, so this is good enough. Okay, let's see how this looks like. Look safe. Looks safe. Yes, much better. Which king looks safe, but the back rank is still weak. Let's say we remove still. It's just weak. Looks safe, but the back rank is weak. Is back rank 1 or 2 words? Everything in English is usually 2 words, so yeah. 2 words, but the back rank is weak. White plays 1, rook f1. Wait a minute, I want to go here, reload. White plays rook f1. Eliminating the only defender of the back rank. After this we have a pattern involving a queen and a rook as attackers and a king that is only protected by 2 pawns. I'm gonna remove that comma, I think. A queen and a rook as attackers. And a king that is only protected by 2 pawns, so the edge pawn has been advanced 1 square. Maybe a new linear here. What follows is king a2, queen c4, check, king a1, because if king b1 is made in 1, or b3, you get rook d2, check, king a1, queen d4, check, etc. Maybe the etc. is not super clear here. Well, it would be clear if you put it on a board, but might as well end with the mate. So that is the reply b3. I'm not mentioning the queen. Giving free queens, just this stupid computer. This one, because this was made in 1, therefore we tried that one, and then I said etc. But it has only 1 move. King b1. Followed by queen b2, mate. Okay, right. Reload. 3 ... It's not nice that it put this not together. Can I make a non-breaking spaces maybe here? Non-breaking space, and here a non-breaking space, or rather, no, I should make a div especially for moves, right? Just top it in like this. A span or a div? What do you think? I think a span. Div is kind of new alinea. So you can make a span. But I don't want them all like that. Just per move. It's a lot of bloody typing this way. Yeah, I can't do that. Do it all like this. Okay, ChatGPT, can you help me, please? I wrote HTML. Point. How to finish this so that I can make the spaces inside these spans non-breaking. I can add a class to the spans too. If needed. Yeah, don't you do that? Oh, okay. Hmm. Why did that tag make reflex? Didn't change a lot. It just made it italic. Or I guess, yeah. Completely forgot about the notation thing. I don't know. Let's try the italic, I guess. And then no rep, yeah. Let's make it a chess move indeed. So that was, wait a minute, where's my chat GDP shirt? On style. I don't know, I just made up something or that it actually is used. Try this as well. Probably should indeed use this for the body though. And do everything like that. And do I have a body here? Yep. Yeah, this line spacing, it looks indeed more professional, I have to admit. I don't see any italic though. No, that's because Yeah, no, I don't want to. This spacing here is annoying. Very difficult to get rid of that. And I almost have to go anyway. And that means I have to print it out. Ask though. I don't get it at all. Display inline block. No wrap italic position relative. And then this goes away, I guess. And it has a default margin 0 auto. The F. Put that in border. Body, I mean. My margin is already 0. Anyway, And then we get border radius. Don't know what that is. Just move plus just move. Oh, I missed that one. I think it made that up though. I can hardly believe that that works. Oh no, maybe it's all nonsense. Actually, looks like it worked. See, there's hardly a space here, but there is here. And then there is no space here, or rather there is a space here. Oh, and here. And of course here as well. But why is there a space here and here? Because there's no other one. And there's still a space here, so it did not work. It did not work. Print containers and margin water already. Yeah, now it's so much space left. I want to put another one on it, if only just for fun. Which one shall we do? Yeah, this one, why not? So that's the 4R1K thingy. Okay, let's print this. Let's have a look if anyone cancelled. I don't think so. So we have. I can print 5 of them. Just print 5 of them. In case everyone comes. Yeah, just one is enough actually, unless I want you. Print 5 always. So you can take it to home. It's probably a good idea. Print 5 copies. What is collide? I don't even know what that is. Did not want binding, no. Okay. I have to go.